In this video you're going to learn about what components are. Components are added to pages which you have write access to. So here's an example of Kelly's Year 11 Learning Development A class page. And to access the components, I click on the plus icon and it brings up this interface here. And if I scroll between information and collaboration, learning, multimedia, resources, and feeds, you can see that the different components change. What I'll do is I'll go back to information. Components are basically the placeholders for information to go onto, and the simplest component to learn about is the text box. There are two ways I can place it on the page. I can either click on the text box and it will drop it onto the page, or alternatively, after I remove this one by deleting it, what I can do is I can use the drop and drag component and I can either place it all the way across the width of the page or put it into a narrower component. There are many different types of components within the pod. As I've shown you, they are categorized differently, and many of them are used for specific purposes, such as, say, a Twitter feed, for example, or under multimedia, if I wanted to add a ClickView video to my class. But some of them are also multifunctional. For instance, a text box could be used to add a piece of welcome information to a page, but alternatively it could also be used to add multimedia to a page. When getting started with components, it's best to use simple components such as the text box, which I've already shown you, or if I go into the resources section, say a files component, which will allow me to add documents to a page like Word documents or PDFs or spreadsheets, and the other one is links, which allows me to add website links. In the next video, you're going to learn how to add content to each one of these components.